Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. And in this video, I'm gonna show you how to copy your user ID if you want to share to your friend to play together with your friend, okay, on the EAFC 24 mobile. So without any further ado, let's get started. First thing you need to do is you need to log in into the EAFC 24 mobile account. And if you already log in, you can go to settings on the main menu like this. You can go to settings, and on the account management you can see the UID, okay, the UID, and then you can click the blue icon or the copy icon on the right of the UID. You can click it, and then now your user ID already copied, and also your user ID or your friend can invite you into the match, or also you can make a friend with your real friends in EAFC mobile. So without any further ado, you can try this on your own. So here it is. I hope this video was helpful for you guys. If you like the video, you can like, comment, and share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. And if you have a questions, you can leave it in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.